Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change brightness of display on the Microsoft Surface 5. And to do this, first you can click right here on the Wi-Fi sound and battery sign, and then you should be able to find the brightness slider that you can adjust by moving it to the left or right. Alternatively, we can click on Windows sign, then go for the settings and here enter system, display, then go for the brightness, and here you can also adjust it with that slider. We can also click on the arrow pointing down to reveal two different settings. There's a change brightness automatically when lighting changes and help improve battery by optimizing the contrast shown and brightness. And you can enable or disable them both. And the last option to do it is with your keyboard. So if you take a look right here, there's the small sound button on F6 and the larger sound button on F7. You can click on those two buttons to also increase or decrease your brightness. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.